Hello royalties, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's just get straight to the point because why not? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these beautiful cornrows that you see on my thumbnail. So for beginners, what you have to know is that you need your two hands, of course, to learn how to cornrow your hair by yourself, and your index finger is like the major game player, while your thumb and your ring finger helps to support your index finger in the journey. So you're just going to watch closely. I believe so much in you, and I know that this content is going to help you begin your cornrow journey by yourself. Okay, so you can do this on yourself, or you can use someone. You can do these practices on someone, but I prefer you practice along this video, so just the demo as quick as possible. Anyways, what I did here to get that design you see on my thumbnail is I got the hair that I want to braid on, and I divided that hair into three sections, and I used 1/3 of it, and I just got this triangle shape, and then I braided it up just like you see me doing there. So I'm braiding only the triangle shape. Okay, so I got another triangle shape just like you see me doing. Okay, so that other the second triangle is inverted if you notice closely, so just pay close attention and you will see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I go ahead to do the normal cornrow. Okay, now you see what my index finger is doing. She's the picker. She picks the hair and gives it to the middle finger to hold it, right? The middle finger does the job of the holding, while the index finger does the job of the picking, and the process goes on and on. Don't forget, like I said in my previous cornrow video, practice makes perfect. So you keep practicing, and before you know what's going on, you are on your journey, you're on your way to become a cornrow expert. Okay, I am not yet an expert, but so far I am proud of myself, and I want you to say the same thing after you finish watching this video. Okay okay So I went ahead to keep braiding, putting in the braid into my cornrows, and just cornrow it backward just like you see me do in this video. Okay, so I went ahead to do just the same thing you saw me doing in the first one, which is dividing the hair into 1/3 and collecting the one section, put a triangle there, but this time around the triangle is going to be facing each other. You get to see what I'm trying to talk about when we continue, when we go on. Okay, so you can see that they're on a straight line, on unlike this other one that was inverted. That does not really matter. When it comes to cornrow, there's diversity. Just play along with it and enjoy the whole process. Okay, it's fun. Cornrowing is fun. It's one of my best parts of hair making. Cornrow, it's fun and exciting to do. Okay, so just play around with it. If you don't like the design, you can switch top. Everything you do turns into a style. Trust me, I said what I said. So back to the cornrow, you can see exactly what my index finger is doing. She picks up the hair, and the middle finger holds it down, and then she picks up another hair and gives it to the other middle finger to hold it down, and that's how we go on and on and on and on. Please do also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Please help me grow the family, and of course thank you so much for 1K subscribers. I am super excited and I'm grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't joined the family yet, please join the family, join the royalty family by clicking the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel it's helpful, and do well to leave a comment, probably a question or anything. I will try my best to answer every single comment down below. Okay? Okay. So, cornrolling skills, just like every other skill, requires you to be consistent. So, that's why I keep hammering on practice, practice, practice. I'd even prefer you practice alongside this video, and so you get the demo, okay, even quicker and faster and better, okay. It might not be on yourself, like I said earlier. You can use somebody, or you can even use, is it mannequin they call it, that doll baby that has hair. You can just use it and keep practicing. You see what I'm doing? Just follow the horn and you get it right. If you like content like this, please do not forget to join the family. I make hairstyle videos for you, okay. So I'm just going to go ahead to do the same thing, and then I do the cornrow just back. This hairstyle is really simple. If you want to put extensions, you can as well do that at the base of the hair. In my next video, I'm not sure I'm not sure, but I'll try to make a fitting with braids on this the same hairstyle. So in case you want it longer or something, you don't want to wear natural hair, then you can just do a feed in, okay. So yeah, let's go back to the natural hair, girls. How do you guys struggle to keep your hair untangled? Because really right now I'm struggling with every single bit of my hair. She's not that strong, but she's not that soft neither, and I'm so scared of heat. I'm so scared of heat damage because I've had chemical damage before, so I'm scared of heat damage. So you guys just let me know how you guys do this thing. Help me, help me, help me, help me. So I am on the last section of the hair, and as you can see, the triangle are facing themselves, and like I said earlier, you can do it invertedly, or you can do it just the way I did it in this video, okay. So I went ahead to do the same thing. Pick up the hair with the index finger, hold it down with the middle finger, and I go on and on. Pick up the hair with the index finger and hold it down with the middle finger. Pick up the hair with the index finger and hold it down with the middle finger. Pick up the hair with the index finger and hold it down with the middle finger, and we go on just like that. Basically, very simple. So I did not use hair gel to make this hairstyle. So if you want to add edge control gel to make it sleek even better, go ahead and do it, okay. But I think this works well for me. Guys, I am done with the hairstyle. What do you think? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Please do not forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I promise to keep posting as often as possible. I will see you guys in my next video.